Hi everyone, I am Lawrence Matthew. I am from Kottayam district in Kerala. I am doing my full-time PhD at MG University in economics. I am associated with Chegg as a Chegg economics expert. When you are giving questions, when you are writing answers, you should be giving them proper answers. So proper statements, you have to give step-by-step solutions. If it is an MCQ question, then you have to give the correct answer and also tell them why this answer is correct, why the other options are not correct. Okay, so this is how you should be able to give a complete solution. They have been also given training modules on a day-to-day basis, and also there are answering guidelines to be followed. You stick to the guideline, you take up the training, and these will help you to maintain a good CS score. Don't chase after questions. Wait and be patient. And if you are getting good questions, you should capitalize on it. Okay, give a proper, authentic solution so that the students will be able to understand the answer and they will be able to learn better. Chegg is following zero tolerance policy against plagiarism. So attend the trainings properly. Stick to the guidelines. Whenever you are giving the solutions, you can refer the sources. You can refer online and offline sources. You can write it from your own knowledge, your observation, your understanding from the things that you have studied. Chegg is also helping me with my research. So I'm focusing a lot on econometrics and statistics, and I'm getting questions based on that as well. So whenever a question is coming up related to that subject, I can just do the question. As far as the monetary compensation is concerned, Chegg has also provided me with a livelihood during the COVID-19 pandemic. And that is something that I'm very proud to say in front of everybody. To the new experts, my advice is to engage a lot of time with Chegg. You can spend maybe 10 or 12 hours in Chegg. That's why I firmly believe that Chegg is a family, and family will be with you always through everything, through the crisis, through pandemics, through your illness, diseases, etc. And keep learning, keep supporting. That's my advice. Thank you.